Yeah, but hold on. This thing's gonna fall outward.
Try to pull it towards you. Towards me this way? Yeah. We need to push it towards my feet.
Perfect. Perfect.
What up, YouTube? Starting off the vlog today. Today is Valentine's Day. So I'll make my wifey some of her favorite chocolate covered strawberries. And I also got her a little gift. This is what I got her. It's like a rose inside like a fishbowl with like some type of vinegar oil inside, keeping it nice and alive. And she did ask for it last time she saw it at the store, so can't go wrong with that. And for today's dessert, we got this for chocolate covered strawberries. And then we got these beautiful limited edition long stem strawberries. They're gonna be our victims today. So let's start off by melting the chocolate. So the chocolate says microwave an open container to a medium power. Do not overheat. Stir at 30 seconds for about 2 minutes. So pretty much stir every 30 seconds till it's all fully melted. And then you just dip the strawberries or any fruit you can do. And then you just let them sit on some wax paper until the chocolate gets hardened. And then you can serve as soon as the chocolate gets hardened, I guess. So let's try it. So we're gonna set them in the microwave for 2 minutes. Now we'll just stop it every 30 seconds and we'll stir it up. Okay. It's already kind of melting already. So, under 30 seconds. Probably would only need a minute because it was already pretty much halfway melted. So, what else we're gonna do is get a tray, and then we're gonna lay some of this parchment paper. And this is where we're gonna lay our strawberries. This wax paper, it's specific to things like chocolate so it doesn't stick to the pan. It's hot. Oh, this is where the magic happens. Just lay it there for it to dry. next. Alright guys, so I finished some of them off. Now I'll just getting set to dry. I had a little bit of chocolate left over, so I decided to dip 4 cookies just in half. Just as decoration, I guess. Didn't want to waste the chocolate. But yeah. Let's let these puppies dry. Then we'll organize them back in this little container, make it look nice. And surprise the wifey when she gets home.
1 hour later.
That's what it looks like, guys. She's about to walk in. Let's surprise her, see what she says.
You got me my flower that I wanted. I thought, and then you got me.
Surprise!
I didn't know there was a camera and I looked ugly.
And I got surprised too. Boom!
It wasn't finished because no me dejó.
Mira,
Ooh, your mom made she made pinga. She's bomb.
mira, the tattoo. You already know, I gotta have that Coke.
There was more coming.
We're about to go eat right now because we're starving.
This is adorable, babe. Oh, I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome, baby. I love you.
The next day.
Perfect. Perfect.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Yeah, but hold on. This thing's gonna fall outward.
Try to pull it towards you. Yeah. The whole thing. Push
Out
that.
here,
There we go.
recording for
Alright.
Too low
You're
movement.
gonna try and drop it more?
We need to push it towards my feet. I thought you had a billet chocolate.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
time to go home. Waiting for everybody to back up so I can back up. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I want to do something for you guys. I'm gonna start doing some giveaways for free little truck decals. What I want to do is every 100 likes this video gets, I'll do one giveaway. So 100 likes, want to give away 200 likes, 2 giveaways, 300 likes, and so on and so on. So the more likes, the more people can win. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Catch you guys in the next video.